How to fix the Library of Ruina is crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click on the game and open up the properties window. Go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And while this process is ongoing, you can go to the general tab and add -dx11 to the launch options. Then you can close this once the process is finished. Now you can open up your browser and search for Redist and click on the first link and make sure to download and install the 86 and the 64, both of the redistributables from here. And once you finish the installation, it will ask you to restart your system. And after the restart, you want to check that if you have the latest graphics card updates installed. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you will need NVIDIA app, which is this one. And then you can go to the drivers tab from here and make sure to download and install the latest available game ready driver update. If you don't have the NVIDIA app, you can go to nvidia.com and download it from there. And after the restart, before launching the game, you want to run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you can proceed to open up the game, and this should fix the crash. Thanks for watching and subscribe.